Hey everyone! Here's a question for you. Can a gear really last 20 years in a wind turbine? Wind turbine gears operate under extreme conditions: low speed, massive torque up to 2000 kNm, and constant load changes from wind. Most standard gears simply cannot survive this environment, so what makes the difference? First, material: high-grade alloy steels like 18 Crenamo 76 ensure strength. Second, heat treatment: carburizing and quenching creates a hard surface and tough core. Third, precision grinding gears must reach ISO 5 accuracy to reduce stress and vibration. Finally, comprehensive testing: microstructure analysis, CMM, fatigue life test, vibration and noise analysis. High temperature and extreme condition achieve zero defect status and attain failure tolerance status. With surface hardness of HRC 58-62 and a tough core structure, these gears can resist wear, absorb shock, and demonstrate the capability to operate for more than 20 years under maintenance-free conditions. That's how modern wind turbine gears achieve over 120,000 working hours and 20-year service life. So what do you think, is 20 years realistic? Tell us in the comments. And if you're looking for a reliable gear supplier or industrial gearbox manufacturer, follow us and contact us today.